Jesus says, if you open the door, I will come in and I will sup with you. Have you opened the door to him in your life? Because when you do, everything changes. In Revelation 3:20, Jesus extends a powerful invitation. Here I am. I stand at the door and knock. If anyone hears my voice and opens the door, I will come in and eat with that person and they with me. This is more than just an invitation. It's a promise. When you allow Jesus into your life, he doesn't just visit. He comes in to stay, to transform, and to bring you into communion with him. He wants to be a constant presence, bringing peace, healing, and purpose. The door is in your hand. Will you open it and let Jesus in? When you do, he'll bring more than just himself. He'll bring life like you've never known before. If you are a new believer, click the link in my bio for the Believer's Guide. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like and